Now we will discuss the use of potentiometer, that to compare the EMF of two cells. In a previous article we have studied the separate method to compare the EMF of two cells. EMF of first cell was E1, EMF of second cell was E2, and we have found out the equation, that is E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 upon L2, where L1 is balancing length for separate first cell, L2 is balancing length for separate second cell. Now same comparison can be done by using combination of these two cells. This method is actually called as sum and difference method. So see here, this is potentiometer wire having resistance Rw. This is current sending agency, that is sending constant current. The potential drop per unit length is called as potential gradient, and that is constant K. Let us connect the two cells in this way. I have shown here point A, first cell positive, the negative of first cell is connected to positive of second cell, negative of second cell is connected to galvanometer, and then there is a jockey. What is experiment? Take the jockey, touch to it at point A, then to point at B. Galvanometer will show full deflection on both sides. Find contact point, let P1 in this way, such that galvanometer shows zero deflection. So from A to P1, the wire length is let L1. So potential drop between A to P1 is equal to KL1, and cells are open, and that's why that will equal to sum of the two cells, EMF of two cells, that is E1 plus E2. So that's equation 1. Now what we have to do? We have to make the connection of these two cells in opposing position. That means the terminals of second cell are reversed. Here negative and here positive. See, so we have connected here E1 minus E2. I have shown here also. Terminal A, positive of first cell, then negative of second cell, and it goes to galvanometer and then to jockey. What is again experiment? Take the jockey, touch to point A, touch to point B, galvanometer will show both side deflection, okay? And find the contact point P2, so that galvanometer will show zero deflection. Measure the length from A to P2, let it is L2, so potential drop between A to P2 is equal to KL2, and it is balancing EMF E1 minus E2, so that is equation number 2. So from these two equations, E1 plus E2 divided by E1 minus E2, okay, is equal to L1 upon L2. And if we do कॉम्पिनंडो डिव्हिडंडो, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये योग वियोग क्रिया म्हणतात, म्हणजे न्यूमरेटर आणि डेनॉमिनेटरची बेरीज वर घ्यायची आणि दोघांची वजाबाकी खाली घ्यायची. त्यामुळे काय होईल, हे 2E1 होईल, इथं खाली 2E2 होईल, इथं बेरीज करत असताना काय येईल L1 प्लस L2 आणि इथं L1 मायनस L2. So 2 gets cancelled. So we get the equation for E1 upon E2. That means comparison of two cells. And what is our formula? L1 plus L2 upon L1 minus L2. Okay. So that is the second method, which is called as sum and difference method, to compare the EMF of two cells. Here you should remember which length is maximum. That previous small L1, previous small L2, or here capital L1 or capital L2. Among the four, which length will be more? Largest value कोणती असेल? बॅलन्सिंग लेंथ जास्तीत जास्त कशासाठी येईल? डेफिनेटली कशासाठी येईल? E1 प्लस E2 साठी येईल. ती जे लेंथ किती आहे? L1. म्हणजे असं गृहीत धरूया की सेपरेट मेथड करत असताना पहिल्या सेलला लेंथ आली 100, दुसऱ्या सेलला लेंथ आली 50. ओके. तर सम मध्ये दोन्ही सेल जोडल्यानंतर बॅलन्सिंग लेंथ किती येईल? 100 अधिक 50, 150 लेंथ येईल. आणि डिफरन्स मध्ये जोडल्यानंतर 100 वजा 50, 50 लेंथ येईल. ओके. So in this way the maximum length will be L1 and very minimum length will be here L2, because capital L2 length is balancing the difference in the EMF of two cells. Okay. So by first method E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 upon L2, and by sum and difference method E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 plus L2 upon L1 minus L2. Okay. Do you get this point?